Okay, so the equation we are given is if 6x plus 9y equals 56 and x plus y equals 25, then 5x plus 8y equals what? So the first step is to look at each equation and see if we can manipulate them through addition or subtraction to get the final equation that we're looking for. We are given these two equations, and if we look at them more carefully, starting with the x's, we are given 6x in this equation, and we need to get 5x. So therefore, we can see that we need to take away 1x. If we look at the y's, we're given 9y in this equation, and we need to get 8y. So therefore, we need to also take away one group of y's. So if you put them together, we need to take out one group of x plus y, which is what we're given in the second equation. So that would tell us that we need to subtract the two equations that were given in order to get 5x plus 8y. So if we write them out, we have 6x plus 9y equals 56. And then we're going to subtract one group of x plus y equals 25. So then, if we notice, we lined up the x's with the x's and the y's with the y's. And when you're subtracting, that means you're subtracting everything on the bottom row from the top row. So don't get your signs confused. You're not adding 9y plus y. You're really subtracting y from 9y. So if we do the subtraction, we're given 5x plus 8y equals 31. And if we look over at our options, you can see that option D is 31, which is the correct answer. It's important to look at what you're given and make sure that you're correctly adding or subtracting, because in this problem, if you would add the equations, you would be given 7y or 7x and 10y, which is not what you're looking for. So just be sure to keep your units and your variables straight. And sometimes you may have to manipulate the equations to add or subtract the correct number of groups of x plus y, and this requires multiplying both sides of the equation by a certain number. For more info on that, you can see a self-check problem under the self-check tab above. But otherwise, that is how you solve this problem.